Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve problem 4.9 from Nilsson and Riedel book. So the question is, use the node voltage method to find how much power the 4 ampere source extract from the circuit in figure 4.9. So we have this circuit here, and maybe we should simplify this a bit because I see that this 10 ohm resistor and this 5 ohm resistor is in series, so we can just add them up and replace it with a single resistor with a value of 10 plus 5, which is 15 ohm. So we will get 15 ohm here, and now we can set our ground here, which we assume that the voltage here will be 0. And now we can do KCL at this node here, which we name it as node A. Okay, so now let's assume the direction of the current. For this branch, I just follow the direction of the current source arrow. So we got this here. And then maybe assuming this goes down here, and assuming this goes to the right here. And then we know that from this voltage source, which have 20 volts here, we know exactly the value of this node here, which is 20 volt from the ground. So we will have this as 20 here. Okay, now we can do KCL at node A. So let's do exactly that. KCL at node A. And KCL said that the sum of the current that goes in will equal to the sum of the currents that goes out. The only current that goes in this circuit is from this 4 ampere source. So we write 4 here. And then this here is going out. So we will have VA minus 0 here. So, and then divided by the resistance between them, which is 20. Okay, now we have another current that goes out, which is this one. So we will have plus this node here minus this node here. So we will have VA minus 20 and divided by the resistance between them, which is 15. Okay. Now we need to get rid of the denominator here. Maybe let's multiply both sides here by 60. Why 60? Because 20 will cancel into 3 and 15 will cancel into 4. Okay, so on the left hand side we will have 240. Maybe let's use blue here. 240. And then 20 will cancel into 3. And so the numerator will become 3 multiplied by VA minus 0. But that is 3 VA. So we'll have 3 VA here. And then for this one, 15 and 60 will cancel into 4. So we will have 4 VA minus 80 here. And we can move this 80 to the left hand side. So we'll have 320 here. And on the right hand side, we will have 7 VA. Okay. So now we have our VA here is 320 divided by 7. Okay. And what does that mean? That means the voltage here is 320 divided by 7, and the unit here will be volt here. But because this current source is also parallel with VA, so the voltage here will be also the same as VA, which is 320 divided by 7 volt. Okay, and we are asked about the power. So we can just simply multiplying the voltage multiplied by the current. And the voltage here is 320 divided by 7. And then the current will be 4 ampere. And that means that our power, and I think I need calculator here. Otherwise, we will stuck in complicated calculation. So we'll have 320 divided by 7 multiplied by 4. That should be 182.9. Okay, maybe let's just write that 182.9. And the unit here, voltage multiplied by current, that will be watt. And I think this is the final answer, and I just want to highlight this final answer here. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes in my calculation. And that's all for this video. Maybe see you in the next video. Bye bye.